Hi, welcome to another day and another lesson. Today we are equally going to be practicing our reading, okay? So as usual, we're going to pronounce out the words we're going to find in the comprehension. Then we're actually going to read the comprehension together. But today we're going to be reciting a particular poem that some of us probably know, yeah? So the title of that poem is My Mother. Okay, so if you're seeing us for the first time, so welcome to the channel. This is what we do here. Today, I'm going to be skipping the 2-letter, 3-letter, like those words I believe by now we are used to, them, okay? We have the pain, the soul, the sat, the woo. I believe we are familiar with some of these words like the woo, the sat, the lips, the to, the love, like some of these words. We are familiar with pronouncing them. So today I want to focus on the words I believe that they are a little bit tough, like they are a little bit lengthy for you guys to pronounce, okay? So I'm going to be focusing just on those words that are lengthy. We pronounce them, then we read like we normally do, okay? So are you ready? Let's go straight into it. So right here we have mother, mother, infant, credo, affection, shed. So we have mother, infant, credo, affection, and shed. So let's read together. We have who sat and watched my infant bed when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed my mother. Okay, so this song is a kind of question. It says, who sat and watched my infant bed when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed my mother. I know some of you know these songs, right? So let's see the stanza 2. We have thought, the word thought. We have wisdom. We have pleasant. So these are some of the tough words we could see in this. So let's go. We have who taught my infant lips to pray and love God's holy book, and they and walk in wisdom's pleasant way, my mother. Okay, so that is who taught my infant lips to pray and love God's holy book, and they and walk in wisdom pleasant way, my mother. I know some of you guys are familiar with this song. So we have who taught my infant lips to pray and love God's holy book, and they and walk in wisdom's pleasant way. Who is that person? My mother. It has a question mark here, okay? Remember, the essence of this is for us to learn how to read, okay? We are working on reading, so I just thought we should try singing this song because it's a song I used to love when I was a little girl, okay? So, and I know some of you guys actually love this song. Even to date, I still sang this song sometimes because it keeps reminding me of the fact that women are amazing. Trust me, mothers are amazing. They are heroes. Like, the things they have to go through for their child is just out of this world. Like, I don't want us to go into that right now. I don't want to kind of bring that emotion right now. So let's go to the next one. We have sickness, gazed, heavy, wept, fear, should. Sickness, gazed, heavy, wept, fear, should. So let's read. When pain and sickness makes me cry, who gazed upon my heavy eyes, and wept for fear that I should die, my mother. When pain and sickness makes me cry, who gazed upon my heavy eyes and wept for fear that I should die. When pain and sickness makes me cry, who gazed upon my heavy eyes and wept for fear that I should die, my mother. Okay, when pain and sickness makes me cry, who gazed upon my heavy eyes and wept for fear that I should die, my mother. So I really love this song growing up, but today I just thought that we should actually use it for our reading class today. And so if you actually love the lyrics of this song, I can actually redo it in another video, like give you the complete of it. Okay, so try going over this again and again. Remember, we are actually reading, in as much as this is a poem, actually we are reading. Okay, and that being said, thank you for stopping by today. If you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Right here we are very accommodating, so if you find what we do here interesting, you can actually join us simply by subscribing, and when you do, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because in that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Keep staying safe, keep being amazing. See you soon in our next class, and bye for now.